Would have called her Selena.
Welcome to the third episode of Sailing Soluna, giving you something to look forward to every Monday. Just in case you missed it, we bought a 43-foot sailboat, an English girl, an Aussie surfer, our kelpie, and absolutely no sailing experience. What could go wrong? But also, what could go right? Our plans? We're learning to sail around the Whitsundays, then heading around the top of Australia, over to Asia and eventually Fiji. And for our third ever sail, our main goal is to learn to tack whilst catching as many fish as possible.
Good morning!
We're going sailing!
Oh, I need to untie the boom. Glenn, you want to get the mooring rope for us or what? Get it for us.
Today we're going to Hook Island. Danny's currently untying the boom.
Trying to.
Our third ever sail on our beautiful boat, and we're going to go and find some really big fish. Danny's just set the rod up ready to go. Let's go get some fishing. I hope we catch a fish. Actually, we didn't catch one last weekend. We've caught about 3 fish. The first one we caught was the massive tuna when we actually picked up the boat, which was sick. The second one, it was really shiny actually, but apparently they just don't taste very nice, so we put him back in the ocean so he could go for a swim again. And the other one we caught was a little cod, but I didn't know what it was because I've not seen one before, but it was actually really cute. It was like spotty fish. But last weekend we caught a Spanish mackerel, the fish that Danny has been really trying hard to get, but it came off the hook as we were about to bring it in. She's very excited. She loves coming for a little boat cruisy. She loves fishing. We need to get her some goggles and we need to get her own fishing rod.
Are you autistic?
Yes, I think so. I'm gonna wave at them when they go past and see if they wave back.
So embarrassing.
One wave, waiting for the others. Oh, he's still waving. Have you seen any fish yet? No fishes yet. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, we're tipping.
Six knots on the motor this morning, which means the hull is still clean.
Good job. So I'm up for today.
Going 17.5 nautical miles, probably more if we're gonna sail, because we'll have to sail with the wind.
Today we learnt to tack. The direction that we wanted to go in was straight into the wind, and you can't sail straight into the wind. So we had to zigzag to pick up the wind in different angles to get to our final destination.
We're gonna go through that gap right there. That's called unsafe passage. It's safe, they assure you. We went through it the other day, so we sailed through it the other day. The wind, northeast is the best bit. So either go through these islands and then sail up that way and then back across. Not a really good day to sail there, but it'll be a bit of a day. Might have to motor for a little bit. How much wind we got? 7 knots, so we should go about 3 to 4 knots today.
3 to 4 knots at 7k knots.
So we're going for a Spanish mackerel.
Nobody knows what's going on. That little island there is Daydream Island, which has a little resort on it.
And shout out to Paddy, who built that resort over there. We love you, mate.
Good job.
So here we are, we're at unsafe passage.
We're not very safe right now.
Probably a good time to walk up the front, not look at where we're driving. Jax, we got autopilot. Are you kidding me? So pretty. That's Daydream Island there. There's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. This is the passage. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, she's very pretty too. Where did you come from? Oh my god, there's Glennie. We're going to turn the noise off in a minute. What do you think? Time to start turn autopilot off.
And then we said the words that every experienced sailor dreads hearing us say. The sails are going up.
Exciting.
We keep coming up with really cool modification ideas for our little hoe.
An iPad mount for our maps for Navionics. Anyone that says we're not real sailors, we've got Navionics.
Only the free trial though, so.
We were going to originally sail that way and then come back down, but now we're going to sail straight across to the islands so that we can keep trawling. Maybe we'll motor, I don't know, yeah, we'll figure it out once we get there.
Don't always trust the maps, the wind is always wrong.
You need to go back there and check if it's near the top.
Yeah.
Is it at the top?
I think so. It looks really cool from here.
See how it's got the bend in it? Not tight here, so it's got to go up more.
There? That's not in properly. Bit baggy. Sails got stuck. You got it stuck on that mouldy thing up there.
No, we're tacking.
Tack-a-lacking.
We're going to have to learn to sail because if we're going around to WA, you don't always get to choose where you're going to go.
Just how the cookie crumbles. We're currently going 0 knots. We're not moving and there's no wind, it's gone.
You wouldn't believe what we're doing. We're sailing because we're sailors.
Very experienced sailors.
Yeah, and we're going 5 knots, baby. Beautiful. Got the mainsail up. Oh no, just hooked myself. Uh-oh. And that thing Looks good as. Oh my goodness. That's a bit sad. That one on the other end. We're gonna have to do a tack in a second, Sarah. Which means that we're gonna swap the front sail over to that side and go that way. And currently, the leaner meter, we're gonna call it the leaner meter. Do you get it? Because we're leaning. Oh, we just hit 10 degrees, so not much. Not as much as the other day. Let it off. Let yours off. Unloop it. Water pump. Yeah, that was so good. Oh, we do need to prepare the cabin because those things make it sound scarier because things are falling over. All right, what do you reckon, Sarah?
We're leaning too much.
We're leaning too much, okay. We did get to 20 degrees and it was a little bit scary. So if it leans too much, we'll just point into the wind.
Tipping points.
This is great, I need to put the GoPro here. I repeat, we are going 6.5 knots.
Really tipping a lot now. 20 degrees.
The leaner meter has just hit 20 degrees.
Funny.
No, it's not, it's at 15, I'm watching it. Your eyes aren't that great. Have you got your contact lenses in?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so, what do you think, Big Soz? Would have called her Selena.
I like that.
You put on Selena Gomez. So, anyways, this is kind of exciting.
Dobby, look at the boats.
Look
at the big boats. Wow.
Who says we don't know how to sail? Because we just went to tack today.
Woohoo!
We're proper sailing the whole way. Because if you didn't want to do this, you'd have to motor straight up.
Yeah.
Whereas right now we're zigzagging with the wind, so we don't have to turn the motor on.
Good job.
That is impressive. Remember the other day when we pulled the sail all the way in and let it out again?
Yeah.
Now we're swapping it over. Learn something new every weekend. Our goal today, a lap of Hook Island. Will we make it? Probably not at this stage.
What do you mean we're not going to make it?
Oh, in time we go. When it gets to the middle, Sarah, I reckon you let it go, so then it'll flap round, then hold it tight again.
Okay, let's go. This one's going in.
Now.
Okay, ready? It's stuck.
Go pull it.
It must be stuck.
It's not stuck.
Danny, you put it around the wheel.
Come on, we're doing 360. It's probably the worst that could happen in that situation.
Now we're going to do our last tack. How many tacks have you done?
3 maybe. 3.
Yep.
You're going to take autopilot.
Oh, we're turning.
Let it off.
It's stuck.
Let it off.
It's stuck.
Let it off then.
It's stuck.
Let it.
Yeah! Quick. Of course.
Right, stand by. Stand by. That was good though.
10 tipping points.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was the best one.
Really good.
And
We're
again.
learning lots today.
Woo, we're learning how to tip more. I like to stay on the higher side because it makes me feel like all my weight is counterbalancing it. Tail. Why is it called a tail? Tail. I thought you were saying tail.
See, we went up,
Wow.
then we went across, and then we went across, then we went across, then we went across, and now we're going across again.
I don't think you can actually see how much it's tipping, but it's tipping quite a lot. I said I don't think you can see how much it's tipping.
7 knots.
7!
Try both ways. We're going to get some mackerel. Surely we should keep going up and down.
We're trying to get some Spanish mackerel in the current lines because apparently they follow the currents. We're driving up, down for about an hour and seeing if we can get one. We're gonna stay in a bay which is just around here on the reef, which we'll go to eventually because we're not experienced enough yet. We will be going, we're gonna do a loop around those rocks where the birds are, which is interesting because birds means fish, and that way to where we are staying tonight. Cheers! Sea foam. People eat that. Okay, just look how stunning this is. Look at that beast. I actually can't believe this is my life. There! Mackerel! You got one! What the fuck? No, that's a shark. It's a fin. No. I've always said I wanted to see a fin. I didn't think I wanted to see one that soon. I think I got that. Anyway, that's the beach. I think this is my favourite place that we've been to so far.
Wow. What?
It's getting shallower. No, there's rocks there.
You know that? I'm asking you to have a look, mate.
Well, I'm telling you because you asked me to have a look.
This will do for the night, eh?
Did you see the fishes?
Look how clear it is in there. Oh, I'm going to put the motor on the boat quickly.
What, swimming? We just saw a shark. Does he know that? Danny just said, obviously, if there's a shark here, then there's going to be fish here. So he's got his spear gun and he's going to go in. And I think I'm going to stay in the boat. He just did a shark. What is he still doing in there? Australians are actually crazy. Are you just staying there?
I don't think it.
Oh, stop. No, stop it. Stop. It's tiny. Are we letting run?
No, it's black.
Wow. We went spearfishing yesterday. GoPro obviously died, but Danny speared a crayfish, and then we came back onto the boat and then we were fishing for squid all night. The stars were really bright. We had the squid lights on. There were so many squid all the way around here. We got 3. So we had lobster and we're gonna have calamari later today. Danny's just gone to check what the spearfishing's like now. Whilst emptying the boat, I think, because it's full of water. Big fish. Whoa, whoa, massive, really big fish. I think it's a dolphin fish. Oh, go over there right now. It's coming this way. It's there. Holy, could be a parrotfish. It's big, he's big, he's big. Right there. In line with that bommy. I think he went down that way to the right. No, it was blue, bright blue. He was right on the surface. I don't know. I think he went this way. No, we couldn't find him, but we spent a few more hours spearfishing. Wait until you see what Danny shot. Look what Danny just caught. Whoa! Job! Look at his teeth! Wow!
Hello! Thanks for calling me!
Wow! How big is he?
50 centimeters. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty fish?
It's very pretty.
Look at its tail.
Stunning. Woo! Lobster, calamari, coral trout.
Glenny. Look at that. That is a nice fish.
Wow. Hello, my name's Fred. What are we going to cook him with? Ha ha ha! Whoa! Whoa, yummy. Nice spot.
There you go. I don't know if you can eat them, it's just seeing.
Wow, he's gone see-through. Good job.
Learnt this from Brody Moss. That's your finger hole.
Clever. Very smart. See? It looks like snake
Just a
skin.
bit of fat.
Oh, he's back. Last night we caught 3 squid, didn't we, Dobby? So we used one as bait and the other 2 I'm now going to make into calamari. First thing you've got to do is really disgusting. You've got to pull all its guts out. Look at his eye. Hazzy likes the tentacles, so I'm going to put him there. He's got a baby squid inside of him. The other ones we got in Jervis Bay, New South Wales, had loads of that bogey looking stuff. These squid are a lot smaller. Pretty. Ah, flap, flap, flap. They're exactly the same size. Look, do you remember? Oh no, you like squid, don't you? You don't like it if he's not cooked, do you remember? Wing, wing. Pretty, isn't he? This. No, you're not having his spine. How's he get back? No. And that is his spine. It feels like plastic scraping his skin off. The biggest squid that we caught, 22 centimeters, just his body from here to here. This is what Danny taught me. Obviously I won't have a clue how to do this. Oops. He's back. Oh, and so is Glenn. I've got to turn it inside out now. Yes. There we go.
Sometime tomorrow you reckon you'll get the squid cut?
Hi Glenn, do you like me? I wonder how the first person even thought of doing this. Like, why would you look at that and think, you know what, I'm going to pull this out of it, pull his skin off, Turn him inside, then cut him up, fry him and then eat him. Wow, that was really good. See if I can get this up in one piece. No way. Wait, if I oh, I'm really, no. I left the spine in the top half and I pulled him in one. I wonder if Brady Moss does that.
No, this is better than camping without internet.
I think that's the best squid I've ever done. It's a squid. Speak. Good girl. So that makes 1 tuna, 1 coral trout, 3 squid, a crayfish, but still no Spanish mackerel. Thanks for watching. See you next Monday for episode 4 of Sailing Soluna, giving you something to look forward to every Monday.
Bye!